So this is Brick.
And this is Fel,
And we are from the Bachelor of Science in Respiratory Therapy Department of Mary Child's College. So for today's video, what we are going to do is to demonstrate
postural drainage in the left upper lobe lingular segment
for our subject, which is pulmonary rehabilitation.
Hi sir, so pwede ko po bang malaman yung pangalan niyo?
Briggs Goddard.
For today po is nakaschedule po kayo for postural drainage. Okay lang po ba na gawin po natin yung procedure ngayon? Yung postural drainage, it is a technique used in respiratory therapy to aid in helping the patient in clearing out their mucus so that they can have more Tagalog. Yun, para mas gumaan yung paghinga nila ng patient para hindi na sila masyadong mahirapan at saka ma-expel nga nila yung cough na nahirapan silang ilabas. So, sa postural drainage, meron tayong iba't ibang positions na nire-require para mas maging effective yung therapy. So, sir, pwede po bang umupo muna tayo sa bed? Dito po sa harap. So, okay, so, lie down po tayo in your right side. Ayan. And yung paa po natin, i-extend po natin ang konti dito. And then, yung kamay dito. So, kailan ba natin ginagamit yung postural drainage?
Okay, so according to the textbook, parang ginagawa kasi yung postural drainage. Syempre, di ba, para ilabas yung mucus ng patient natin. So, ginagawa siya mostly for patients with cystic fibrosis and bronchiectasis or any other diseases within the pulmonary na hirap siyang ilabas yung mucus or yung secretions niya. And also, ginagawa din siya para ma-prevent yung lung infections and as what you have stated a while ago, para ma-improve yung breathing ng patients. Kasi syempre, puno ng mucus yung lungs ng patient, then how can they breathe properly? And ayun.
1, 2, 3. So, hinga po muna kayo ng malalim. And exhale po. Okay, hinga po ulit kayo ng malalim. Exhale po.
So, let's discuss something like contraindications tapos indications. Itong, ano to? Lungs! Happy lungs. Tapos, ayun, diba? So, parang as part of indications niya, as long as meron siyang mga thick secretions or mucus, so dapat siyang gawin. So, yung postural drainage. Kasi syempre, parang, ang concept kasi ng postural drainage, kung natin siya sa upper part, syempre, nanili yung parang bronchus niya, diba, sa medyo, ano ba? Hinanod. Headed touch. Tapos, diba, hindi yung ano niya, yung bronchial treatment.
Oo.
Tapos ayun. Tapos parang pag ginano mo siya, tinaog. Pag tinaog mo siya, diba, pag ginanon mo siya. So parang, ang tendency is, dito lahat mapupunta yung mucus niya. So kapag parang ginanto mo naman, parang mas mag-spread out siya to lungs, pero dito lang sa part na to.
So, ayun nga, kasi meron tayong, yung lungs kasi natin is gravity dependent siya.
Yeah.
So, ang purpose ng postural drainage is minamaximize niya yung principle na yun sa lungs natin para matulungan yung lungs natin na ma-expel nga yung cough. So, since ang lungs naman natin is naturally meron siyang series escalator na yun yung nag-help sa lungs natin para ma-clear out yung mucus na nakastick or nakadikit sa lungs natin. Okay, so for contraindications, so bawal siya sa patients with severe breathing difficulties or merong low level of oxygen in their blood. And next is yung merong recent heart attack or chest pain. And then, yung mga kakagaling lang din sa surgeries, ganun. And pregnant women, tapos children or individuals with difficulty in mobility, tapos yung mga merong asthma and severe breathing difficulties din, tapos merong back problem or herniated discs na mga patients.
Again, this is Briggs,
And it's Melina,
reminding you to consult with your physician
and stay healthy
and avoid smoking
to prevent needing respiratory therapists
like
like us.
us.